Hey, what's up everyone? Last video you saw us go to the car meet and we were doing some rips in the Conquest and we were hitting about 12 psi. So I went ahead and I turned up the boost controller a little bit more. I'm about to go get some dinner, so I'm gonna see what it hits now and I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. So yeah, let's see how it goes. First stop is the gas station. Gas, so now that the car's warmed up and everything, taking on a little rip, see what happens. By a Hornet. About 15 pounds that time, and that feels awesome. Oh, sorry for cursing, but that was pretty awesome. The car is quick at 15 pounds, boy. Looking at the AFRs, I guess they were good. I don't know. It wasn't breaking up or anything, so. That felt awesome. Yeah, where that's at, that's perfect right there. I mean, I would love to get like 18, 20, but I think that will suffice for right now. It's time to put this thing on a dyno. My butt dyno is saying high 2s, almost 300, I would think. I don't know. I'm probably way off, but that's what my butt dyno is saying. Whatever that was. Alright, time to pick up some dinner. I wonder if they can hear me over the open downpipe in the drive-thru. Probably not, it's pretty loud.
Okay, I'll be with you in just a moment.
Okay.
I'm so sorry, what can I get for you today?
Yeah, can I do the 12 tenders, 4 biscuits, and 2 fixings?
I'm sorry, that was the 12 tender tailgate with the 2 fixins?
Yes.
And that was home style tenders?
Yes.
Alright, what kind of dipping sauce can I get for you?
Honey mustard.
And what can I get for those 2 sides?
Mac and cheese and mashed potatoes and gravy.
Alright, and for your half gallon, can I get you sweet tea, unsweet tea, or lemonade?
Sweet tea's fine.
Alright, anything else?
No, that's it.
That'll be $26.51, and we look forward to serving you at the window.
Thank you. Thank you. Two. Got my bow box, son. Man, this car puts a smile on my face. I need to give my dad a ride again. Last time I gave him a ride, it was still cutting out and everything, so I need to get some redemption. Alright, so we're just gonna cruise home real quick. Well, that'll probably be the end, but I'll try and do a couple more rips on the way home if traffic opens up a little bit. Says it all. It's right at 15 pounds. Second gear, it spiked at like 16. And when I went to third, it went up to 15 and stayed there. So that's perfect. Quick, man. So I need to take my dad for another ride. And we need to hit up the drag strip, or try to hit up the drag strip again to see what this does in the quarter. And I also want to see what it makes on the dyno. So those will be some videos coming up here pretty soon. Me and Randall were also tossing around the idea of a dyno day. I don't know if any of you guys would be interested. I'm thinking maybe get about 10 cars or so to go to our local dyno, just for fun runs, no tuning or anything like that. If you're interested, just let us know, and I'll see if I can put anything together. I love that noise. It was kind of short, but I hope you liked it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out sandrmotoring.com for our sweet hats that we just put up. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.